Welcome back. In this video, we will cover the single SKU view list. So let's navigate over to our OneCart item master page, and let's find a single SKU page or product page. Let's focus on this small SKU. The hashtag S stands for small. It's a small shirt. And let's click on this number over here, this 9. That number 9 indicates that this small shirt is published across 9 listings. And you can see here all of the platforms where this SKU is published. So it's published on 2 Lazada listings, a single Q10, 3 Shopees, 2 Shopifys, and a single TikTok. Additionally, you can also have the same information in diagram format. So you can see that the SKU is published on Shopee, Shopify, TikTok, Lazada, and Q10. And then for each platform, you have these further branches here that indicate the number of times that the SKU is published on the dedicated platform. This page is great to get a very high overview of what the coverage looks like for a single SKU.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.